Hello, I'm Nikki. Welcome to Off Grid Style. Let's get started.
Military hacks that make bugging out easier. Be sure to stick around until the last one because I guarantee very few people know about this hack. Being on your feet is part of the job in the military. Mobility and readiness are paramount, and comfortable footwear plays a crucial role. If you've ever worn new boots, you know they can be a pain to break in. Luckily, there's a tried and true military hack to soften them up. Just soak your boots in water for about an hour, and the material will become less stiff, preventing blisters. But what if your boots still feel too stiff even after soaking? Servicemen have a solution for that too: duct tape. Yes, duct tape can act as a guard or pad to prevent shoes from rubbing against areas prone to blisters. Simply stick some duct tape on those troublesome spots and you can avoid the discomfort. Properly tying boot laces is another crucial aspect of footwear comfort. After soaking or applying duct tape, if your boots still feel stiff when you walk, try this military hack. When lacing up your boots, skip the holes near your ankles. By doing so, you allow for more natural mobility around the areas where the boot creases during motion. Wounds are inevitable for military personnel, and sugar can come in handy as a makeshift antibacterial. Powdering wounds with sugar can temporarily stop infections from spreading, providing some aid until proper medication is available. Vaseline, a versatile moisturizer, is not only great for treating burns and cuts, but can also serve as a fire starter. Dip a cotton ball into Vaseline and light it with a match or lighter. The material catches fire easily and provides warmth and light if needed. Maxi pads, often associated with menstruation, are surprisingly useful for stopping bleeding. They're excellent at absorbing blood and can be taped over wounds to stem blood flow, making them a valuable item to have on hand, not just in battle, but also during camping trips or emergencies. Loose threads on uniforms and gear are a no-no for servicemen. Instead of pulling them, use a lighter to burn the loose threads. This not only destroys the thread, but it also prevents snagging. When deployed in hot climates, keeping water cool can be a challenge. A simple military hack involves soaking a sock in water and placing the bottle inside. The wet sock acts as a refrigerator, keeping the water nice and cool even on scorching days. And, while not necessarily recommended, peeing in the shower can actually help cure athlete's foot. Urine contains urea, an antifungal compound, and washing your feet with it can reverse the infection. It may not be the most conventional remedy, but in dire situations, it's a military hack that just might work.
Well, I hope you liked the video. Please share your thoughts with me. You know I always want to hear from you, and I will always try to answer back. This video has been chosen specifically for you based on your viewer history. YouTube says this is the one that you would most be interested in watching, so if you do me a favor, go ahead and click on it and watch it. Thanks very much.